गांधीनगर में आज वाइब्रेंट गुजरात ग्लोबल समिट 2015 का भव्य शुभारंभ प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के हाथों किया गया।
भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी गुजरात के मुख्यमंत्री पद पर थे तब 2003 में पहली बार वाइब्रेंट गुजरात ग्लोबल की शुरुआत की गई थी। उसमें मिली सफलता के बाद हर 2 साल के बाद ये समिट का आयोजन गांधीनगर में किया जाता है, जिसमें देश विदेश के राजनेता, उद्योगपति और विविध संस्थाओं से जुड़े लोग हिस्सा लेते हैं। आज से 3 दिन के लिए गांधीनगर के महात्मा मंदिर में 7वीं वाइब्रेंट गुजरात ग्लोबल समिट 2015 की शुरुआत हुई। इस समिट का उद्घाटन प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने किया। आज उद्घाटन के पहले दिन राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री आनंदीबेन पटेल, राज्य मंत्रिमंडल के सदस्य, यूएन सेक्रेटरी बान की मून, अमेरिकन सेक्रेटरी जॉन कैरी, विश्व बैंक के चेयरमैन तांजानिया और भूटान समेत 30 देशों के राजनेता, 13 देशों के हाई कमीशन, 24 देशों के राजदूत, उद्योगपति मुकेश अंबानी, गौतम अदानी, साइरस मिस्त्री, देश विदेश की विविध कंपनियों के सीईओ उपस्थित थे।
I extend a warm welcome to one and all present here today. All of us will mutually benefit during 2 days interaction. I assure Honorable Prime Minister that Gujarat will be a trendsetter for your Make in India campaign. We will add more areas for investment in these 2 days to make Gujarat truly vibrant.
यूएन सेक्रेटरी बान की मून ने कार्यक्रम की सराहना की, जबकि अमेरिकन स्टेट सेक्रेटरी जॉन कैरी ने प्रधानमंत्री के सबका साथ, सबका विकास के नारे की और उनके कार्य करने की तरीके की तारीफ की।
The United States and India are 2 countries literally defined in our documents that create us as a nation, defined by our commitment to freedom, to innovation, to the belief that all things are possible. President Obama often tells people that only in America would his particular journey have been possible. And Prime Minister Modi's journey, from a young man who sold tea right by the railroad here in Gujarat to the Prime Minister's residence on Racecourse Road, seems no less improbable. So we join with you in celebrating the extraordinary new chapter of India that is being written today.
But influences not just entire countries, their politics and their economies, not just in South Asia, but across the rest of the world. This is how I see it. When Gujarat vibrates, its vibrations quickly spread through India to the rest of the world. And that includes my country, even though it is guarded by the mighty Himalayas. Let me introduce my country. Bhutan is a small country tucked away in the Himalayas, sandwiched between the world's 2 largest countries, India and China. Our economy is small. With a GDP of barely $1.7 billion, I am acutely aware that many of the delegates here are worth more individually than the entire GDP of my country. In fact, some of you I know are worth many, many, many times more. Our economy may be small, but we have used our limited resources wisely. Healthcare, for example, is completely free, and so is education. And so is education. All our children enjoy free education, and not just free primary education, but free secondary education, and for those who work hard, free college education.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने अपने उद्घाटन प्रवचन में आतंकवाद के मुद्दे पर बोलते हुए कहा कि पूरी दुनिया में आतंकवाद फैल रहा है, जो बेहद दुख की बात है। साथ ही उन्होंने बताया कि पूरी दुनिया की नजर अब भारत की ओर है।
Let me begin
by expressing our solidarity with the people of France as they mourn their loss and come to terms with the brutal terrorist attack. As we see it spread around the world, let us pledge to work together to make sure that it will not succeed against the life that we have all gathered here to build and the values that we stand for. The summits of 2011 and 2013 succeeded in strengthening investors' confidence. It is only because of persistence with positivity that this event of Gujarat government has become an event for the entire country. This platform has been enlarged so that other states too can take advantage. Today, adopted this approach. और मैंने पिछले दिनों देखा मध्य प्रदेश हो, पश्चिम बंगाल हो, सभी राज्य अपने अपने तरीके से एक सकारात्मक भूमिका निभाते हुए प्रयास कर रहे हैं. The government of India is committed to support such initiatives by any state government. Friends, we will have to change the way we have been approaching problems.